Hi everyone, this is the course Materials Designed for Face-to-Face Environment. My name is Mayra Alejandra Lazo Cruz. Today I want to share with you the answer to the question Task 1, Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. The first question, what should English language learning ELT materials have? The materials should be focused on helping students learn to develop reading, listening, and speaking skills. To achieve this, these three aspects must be taken into account in the materials. What should be provided for the learners? How it should be provided and what can be done with it to promote language learning. Second question. Proposal for principles approaches to the development of ELT materials. There are clear principles for the development of good materials among these are: A. Novelty. Unusual topic, illustration, and activities. For example, use of ICT. There are many activities on the internet. The use of program, games, application could attract the attention of students. B. Variety. Breaking up the monotony of a unique routine with an unexpected activities using many different text types, taking for many different types or sources, using a number of different instructor voice on a CD. For example, do not do the same in all classes. C. Attractive presentation. Use of attractive colors, lot of white space, use of photographs. For example, create posters together with diálogos, stories in English, and more. D. Appealing content. Topic of interest to the target learners. Topic which offer the possibility of learning something new, engaging stories, universal themes, local reference. For example, know what students like, a movie or series of the moment, and striking video games, or simply an interesting topic for them, and with that information create activities. E. Achievable change. Tasks will change the learn to think. For example, do computation and incense or princess. And to finish, I want to share with you important aspect when teaching. The following aspect should be taken into account when using the materials. First, that does not generally anxiety. Second, know about the tastes of our student. Third, be very creative when making materials. Fourth, what helps to discover new learning. And fifth, most importantly, each material must always have a purpose. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.